Good morning, myself Swati, Department of Computer Science Engineering. I am going to continue video lecture series based upon object-oriented programming. Now my topic is on thread creation. How will be the thread will be created and how it will be in a runnable manner by using an interface program. We are going to discuss like what is thread creation and thread class and what is a runnable interface, and then a difference about both of them, and then an example program we are going to discuss here. First topic is an introduction. Thread creation is a process of creating and running multiple threads in a program. Is there any error will be created here? It will be on creating the threads is a process, and rectify the program. Explanations. Threads allows parallel executions, improve performance, and then used in multitasking applications. Thread creation is the process of creating and running multiple threads in a program. Explanation. What is thread means? It is a thread allows parallel execution and then improve performance, used in multitasking application. We have an example here, running multiple tasks like downloading, playing music simultaneously. There is a multiple task will be running in one single device. And then thread class is used to create a thread by extending the thread class. We are having a thread means thread 1, thread 2, thread 3. This is a shared memory. It will be having a keyword like thread override run off method, call start off method. We are having two methods like run off method and call start off method. In this we are having an example here like class my thread is a keyword to use on the creating the thread class. My class extends thread. We are having methods like run off method, so public void run off. We are having an output screen displaying line like system.out.println. Runnable interface means it is an interface is used to create a thread by implementing the threads using any other way. It implements the runnable threads interface like override run off method, pass object to thread class. If you are having any objects for using inside the class, it will be used by the run off method. In this we are having a difference like class my thread implements it. If you are using a thread creation, it will be like a word as thread. Now it is in runnable manner, so it is a runnable keyword will be used here. And then what is the difference between thread class and runnable class? We are having a thread class means it is can extend other classes. Runnable also can extend other classes, but it cannot extend the other in the future classes like any other way. What are the advantages in thread creation? It supports multiple tasking and improves performance and efficiency utilizations and better responsiveness. It is having a real-time example in web server. Web server uses threads to handle multiple user requests concurrently, handle multiple user requests simultaneously, process each request independently, improve responsiveness. For example, we are having an online booking system like Zomato, Swiggy, any other way. If you are having if you are already having one order will be placed inside that one restaurant, then automatically another will be several number of orders will be giving with one restaurant. That is a real-time example for thread creation. Sample program we are here like class my thread implements runnable, public void run off method being used. We are having a system.out.println thread is running. If we are having main class like a public static void main of string arguments, we are creating an object for thread. My thread t1 equal to new thread of thread t equal to new thread of t1. Now we are going to start a t. So t dot start off. This is a Java code. In this we are having an my thread class implements like runnable interface. Run off method is override by to define the task. Object is my thread is created. Object is passed, then thread class and start method will be used for thread beginning execution. We are going to begin the execution part. We need to give a keyword like start off method. My create my thread object pass to thread call start off method run method of execution. We are having a mind map here like we are thread creation by using an thread class, extend a thread class. It is also a runnable interface by using an implement an interface like runnable. We are using an run off method, start off method, and thread methods, etc. We are advantage of having support multiple tasking, and then performance to be improved, and then CPU utilization also efficiently. Thank you.